Do you know why 95% of people who starts an online business fail? Affiliate marketing as a business model has huge potential only if you do it right. For that, you need to understand the three pillars of affiliate marketing business and build those pillars strong. That's the topic for today. By the way, if you stay till the end, I'm going to reward you with a cool bonus. Hi, I'm Suneel Hegde. I am a digital entrepreneur and founder of Dream Lifestyle Hub. Without further delay, let's get into the topic. To be successful in affiliate marketing business, you don't need to be an expert. You don't need to have a prior experience. You don't need to have a college degree, and you don't need to invest thousands and thousands of dollars. However, you should be open to learning and mastering three pillars of affiliate marketing business, which I'm going to walk you through. Are you ready? Let's get in. Now we are into the mind maps. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through these three pillars. And as I told you earlier, if you stay till the end, I'm going to reward you with a cool bonus. Now, let's look at first pillar, which is mindset. This is the most ignorant part of many people. That's why they are failing. 80% of your success comes from your mindset, having filled your mind with the right energy and positive attitude. And this doesn't come naturally. Our mind gives lots of importance to negative stuffs happening around. So stop watching news, political agendas, Netflix, Amazon Prime, those things, and give laser focus on the things which is going to benefit you as a person and help you grow your business. Remember one thing, there is no failure in business. As an entrepreneur, either you'll win or you will learn. So have those right mindset. If you don't have the right mindset, even if you're a master of pillar number 2 and pillar number 3, it's of no use. So it is very important what kind of mindset you have will determine your success. For that, I recommend only 3 things. However, you need to practice all these 3 things without fail every day. So the number 1 thing is having your goal card. I have my goal card and I look at this goal card multiple times every day. So it is very important you have your goal card and look at your goal each and every day so that it reminds you where exactly you need to go. If you want to know more about how to set your goals, somewhere above my head, also in the description, I have given the link. You can go and check it out. And the second thing is watch The Strangest Secret in the World by Earl Nightingale. Yeah, again, above my head, also in the description, I have given the link. Go and watch this every day. It is going to give you lots of positive things so that you can have a right mindset. Yeah. And the third thing is writing your goals. I write my goals every day, 2 pages of goals. It might be anything, your big goals, small goals, each and everything. You might want to go for a world tour. You might want to own a car, maybe a Ferrari, Mercedes, or you want to purchase a condo near the beach, or you want to own a private jet. Anything but write your goals every day so that it keeps your mind strong. Yeah. So these are the 3 things. Goal card. Look at this goal card multiple times every day. Strangest Secret in the World by Earl Nightingale, and writing your goals every day. Yeah. Now let's move on to the pillar number 2. It is skill set. What are those skills which you got to develop and master in order to run successful affiliate marketing business? So there are 5 areas of the skills which you got to develop and master. If you want to know more and go deep into these 5 areas, you can go and check out my channel. I have separate videos for each of these. Yeah. Now let's look at the first one, which is traffic generation. How to generate traffic to your website, to your offer. Paid traffic, organic traffic, how you can get the quality leads. It is not just about having a world-class product to promote. It is about letting your prospects know, letting your target market and bring them into your world, how you can do that. So it is all about traffic generation. The second thing is about list building. It is not just about you bring them into your world, bring them into your website. How you can build a list of those people so that you can get in touch with them, you can build influence. Yeah. So list building is very important. The third one is copywriting. How to turn your words into money, how to write compelling emails to your list, how to write compelling ads. So there are different types of copywriting. So you need to master copywriting skills so that you can build influence and connect instantly with your audience. Yeah. And the fourth one is tribe building. Money is not in traffic generation. Money is not in list building. Money is in the relationship you build with your audience. So it is very important. The future of business lies with tribe building. Big companies like Apple, Amazon, everyone have their ecosystem. Everyone have their super fans. So they are too big to fail. If you really want to make it big, you want to have a super profitable business, then you need to build your tribe. You need to have your small super fans who trust you and ready to buy anything you promote, anything you recommend. Yeah. And the fifth one is sales and conversion. There will be no shortage of money if you master this skill, sales and conversion. So it's very important you understand how to run webinar, how to automate webinar, how to convert people into your customer. So these are the 5 skills: traffic generation, list building, copywriting, tribe building, and sales conversion. Now let's move on to the pillar number 3. It is tool set. What are the tools you need to have? In a physical business, you need to invest in real estate, infrastructure. There are so many overhead costs. The beauty of digital business, online business is you do not need to make those big investments. However, you need to make small investments in certain digital tools. What are those tools? If you want to know what are the tools I am using and build successful online business, in the description, in the recommended tools, I have given all those details. You can go and check it out. Now let's just recap what are those 3 pillars: mindset, skill set, and tool set. These are the 3 pillars you got to master and build these pillars strong so that you can run successful online business, affiliate marketing business. As promised, it's the bonus time. You can go to description. I have given a link. You can download my ebook, Affiliate Marketing Blueprint, for free. It is going to be very, very valuable. Go and check it out. If you want to continue learning journey with me, tap or click on your screen to watch my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Until we meet next time, take care and bye-bye.